Good evening. Today I am going to show Manjaro Mate. It's family of Manjaro. Even previous I shown Manjaro Birch, Manjaro Cinnamon and Manjaro GNOME. So it's an Manjaro Mate. It's an Linux distribution that combine the stability and simplicity of Arch Linux with the user-friendly Mate desktop environment. Mate is lightweight and innovative desktop environment that aims to provide a traditional computing experience. So it's been very good and somewhat improvement is there before Birch and Cinnamon and Genome. This is somewhat improvement is there. So it requires 4 GB memory, 30 GB hard disk space and dual core processor, and even it required a high definition HD graphic card and monitor. A broadband internet connection is necessary. So free open source, it's an update rolling release update model and user friendly and accessibility. So just now what we'll do, we'll just download it and we'll check what are the features are there in this, what are the better features than Birch and all. So now open Google Chrome and type there as Manjaro, just Manjaro, Manjaro, and then we'll check for this. So here you can see Manjaro is there and HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So now what we'll do, get Manjaro is there. Just click on get Manjaro. Download install media is there. So for downloading you have to get Manjaro. x86-64 is there. Just click on it because it's on laptop and desktop, more common or personal computers. ARM is for phones and tablets, laptops. So now I'll just go to x86-64 to download Manjaro Mate. So after downloading it, you have to download Rufus to do bootable pen drive. See here my Manjaro Mate ISO file is there in desktop, and now I have downloaded Rufus in new tab. Just I gave RUFUS and I downloaded it, and here after completion of download I open Rufus and you can see here 16 GB pen drive I inserted, and here start button is there and ready is there. So after inserting pen drive, you just make sure that you copy entire data of pen drive and then restart your system. After restarting you have to do booting of your pen drive. See here booting of your booting will be started for installation process. After completion of booting in Rufus, restarting your system, here boot has been started in the system, that is in pen drive, this is in system. So Manjaro Mate has been appeared over here, and welcome to Manjaro is there, and this is somewhat advanced features more than Birch and Cinnamon and Genome. See here all accessories, administration, graphics, each and everything is there. So just check for it. And here location is there, calendar is there, scheduler is there, each and everything. Trash, install Manjaro Linux is there, Manjaro Home is there, computer is there, settings is there, and you can go to computer. VLC model is there, already installed VLC is there, Firefox is there. So this way you can get each and every feature in one OS. So here I have installed, I have just did booting, install, and I did completed, and I feel somewhat more features than previous Manjaro family. So hope if you found this video is good and somewhat informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.